Vivo Tonic Review Blood Sugar Support Nutrients and Vitamins. 11-in-1 Vital Blood Sugar Support Formula. Designed to help your body maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Highest quality ingredients tested to ensure proper purity and potency. Vivo Tonic contains a proprietary formula consisting of a group of essential blood sugar support antioxidants, minerals, vitamins and herbs, inspired by an ancient Buddhist monk's recipe. For thousands of years, this recipe has been used by the monks in Kathmandu, where people have naturally kept their good health in balance, without worrying about dangerous blood sugar spikes. Countless studies published in peer-reviewed medical journals have proven, beyond any doubt, that unlike the standard American diet, the crucial nutrients and vitamins in the Tibetan monk's diet help them lead a normal life, by supporting healthy blood sugar levels within normal ranges. This unique formula is designed to support your body to function in its optimal state, thus helping you to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, for a difference that you can truly feel. 100% benefits and zero compromises when it comes to your eyes' health. 100% free of chemical coating and other non-essential fillers. Zero dangerous stimulants, zero toxins and not habit-forming. Non-GMO, vegan-friendly and gluten-free. Gentle formula, perfectly balanced. Incredible results for everybody. Vivo Tonic is conveniently packed with over 11 essential powerhouse herbs and ingredients. All were specifically balanced to help anyone support healthy blood sugar levels right away. Banaba leaf, the sacred Buddhist blood sugar regulator, which contains over 40 bioactive compounds essential to support healthy blood sugar levels. Corosolic acid. According to numerous studies, this naturally derived ingredient is loaded with unique optimal blood sugar levels supporting benefits. Silymarin, which supports the normal functioning of the liver, thus helping to control and keep within normal levels the blood glucose levels. Berberine has been used in traditional Chinese, Indian and Middle Eastern medicine for over 400 years. More and more specialists recommend berberine to support blood sugar levels naturally. Korean ginseng, because of its incredible metabolism, immune system and overall health benefits, a single pound of Korean ginseng now sells for up to $8,000. Fortunately, we've managed to source the best variety of ginseng and make it available now for everyone in Vivo Tonic. Green tea leaf, packed with polyphenols and EGCG catechins, this is a powerhouse ingredient which also supports your immune system and the good functioning of your metabolism. Resveratrol and cayenne pepper, both ingredients help normalize blood pressure and support a healthy blood flow throughout the body. Zinc, according to scientists, 40% of Americans suffer from zinc deficiency. Fortunately, Vivo Tonic has the perfect amount of zinc to help support healthy levels of fasting blood glucose, total cholesterol and triglycerides. Chromium, this biologically active compound is crucial when it comes to supporting the normal activity of insulin throughout the day and night. Alpha-lipoic acid, the most powerful antioxidant extracted from natural sources such as broccoli and spinach, which helps support healthy vision levels and normal nerves functioning. Will Vivo Tonic work for me? Of course it is. We take exceptional pride in our products and in their safety. Each bottle is sealed by the producer's medical laboratory, guaranteeing all safety measurements a medical facility must offer. The bottles you have purchased will arrive at your delivery address properly packed by our trusted shipping company. Is Vivo Tonic really safe? How long would it take to receive the product to my delivery address? Lately, we have been flooded with orders from all over the world. Even so, we strive to ship your order in maximum 24 hours each working day of the week. To make things easy, you will receive an email with your tracking number so that you can follow your package en route to its destination. On average, customers reported the real shipping time is somewhere between 5 to 10 days for domestic orders. How will I identify the transaction on my bank statement? Your purchase will appear on your bank statement under the name of ClickBank. We care about the confidentiality of your purchase and so we will never reveal to anyone the content of your order, so the supplement name will not be mentioned anywhere else besides the delivered package. Is there a refund policy for me transcation? Yes. Your investment is completely protected by the 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. This means that for the next 2 full months after your purchase, if you are not happy with or you simply changed your mind, you have every right to ask for your money back. For any inquiries, please contact us using this form here. Be noticed that you will be required to ship the product bottles back to us at 37 Inverness Drive East, Suite 100, Englewood, Colorado 80112 for the refund to be approved. Does your product require multiple payments? Absolutely not. To purchase Vivo Tonic, you are only asked for a one-time payment. There are no other future payments needed to benefit from this product. How secure are this page and my transcation? This website is highly secure. We use industry-leading technology, such as SSL, to keep your information 100% safe. I have additional questions. Can you help me out? We always welcome any questions coming from you. You can always find one of our customer satisfaction fanatics by contacting us here. So check out in description below to claim your bottle now.